After-school activities don't need to be taught in a school-like environment by professional teachers. There is a lot you can do to support your child's academic, physical, and social development. Do not be too concerned about formal programs, as many of our children are already overscheduled. Obviously, school is top priority for children. They need to go to school and finish their homework. They should do their daily reading or writing work. This may take about 30 to 60 minutes each day. In the course of their daily work, your child may develop certain academic preferences and interests. In that case, you can try and find a program in a college or a community center that will help and encourage your child. In the age of the internet, information is really not a rarity. Allow him to get online to find more information about things that he likes. If you are concerned about the lack of social life, enroll him or her in a club. Visit public libraries or even the theater, if your child is interested. It is not necessary for your child to make friends with children his own age. A parent-child book club is another interesting option. If you can round up a number of like-minded children and their parents, you could start your own after-school program. When there is no organized group activity, look to your community. Many children love to get involved in social problems. They get their first real taste of suffering, charity, and community help from such experiences. Volunteering could be a real eye-opener for your child. If physical activity, or the lack of it, is your major concern, sign your child up for some dancing classes. If organized sports are impossible to get, try to enroll him or her in a gym or recreational facility. Your child does not necessarily have to be a part of an organized group to benefit from after-school activities. There are various avenues open in front of you. Roping in the enthusiasm of your children in daily household activities like cooking and cleaning can also provide them with a refreshing extracurricular experience. It will improve family ties too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.